Not in the background. You need to bury your face. Well.
Bye.
Come here. You want to try sitting on it again? I know you keep getting off of it. And you bounce. Oh.
Hi, buddy.
You bounce? You're a little too short for it, but it'll all change in a few months.
Yeah, he'll grow into it. He loves it. Caleb, you should do that little dance you just did.
Yes.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Nico's trying to get into all the birthday boxes, playing the birthday wrapping paper.
What are you dancing to? Hold on. Push one of the buttons.
Yeah, get it. Oh, wow.
Good news.
Birthday wrapping paper, birthday bags.
Here goes a goodbye.
Yeah.
How long are you taking for? I'm trying to get back on it. You can do it. Just swing that little leg over. I don't know if you can lift it high enough.
That's okay. Happy birthday!